friends, today we will solve Geeks for Geeks problem difficulty level school. So today's problem is split strings. So now open this question. So split string, given a string S which contains of alphabets, numbers and special characters. You need to write a program to split to the string in three different strings S1, S2 and S3 such that S1 will contain all the alphabet present in S. The string S2 will contain all the numbers present in S, and S3 will contain all the special character present in S. The string S1, S2 and S3 should have character in same order as they are appear in input. So now we see first example. So the first example is Geeks 01 for 02, Geeks 03. So the output is Geeks for Geeks and numeral, numbers string and special character string. Now see second example. So the second example is this. So S1 is number string of alphabets, second string is string of numbers and third string is string of special character. So first we here return type is array list. So we just have need to first we will make array list of string type, array list string type, name of array list will be list equals to new array list, new array list. Now we make three empty strings. So we will make three string S1 initialized with null string, and the second string is S2 initialized with empty string, and third string is S3 initialized with null string. So now we will use for loop for traversing on the given string. So we use for loop for traversing on the given string. For int I equals to 0, I less than equals to s dot length. Now increase the value of I plus plus. Now we will check if character is letter. Now we check the condition character dot is letter s dot char at I, then we will add in S1 string. So S1 plus minus s dot char at I, else if, here we use second condition, else if character is digit s dot char at I, then we will add in second string s2 plus equals to s dot char at I. At the end we will return we will store a special character in third string. So s3 plus equals to s dot char at I. Now at the end we will store all s1, s2 and s3 string in the list of strings. So list dot add s1 s1. Now we store second string, third string. So s1 list dot add s2 list dot add s3. At the end we will return the final answer list. Now compile and run. So the code is successfully compiled and run. Now check all test cases. So submit this code. So all the test cases are successfully passed. So thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe the channel and press bell icon. Thank you.